You are welcome to this particular Igbo class lesson. Today I'm gonna deal with dialects. We have very funny dialect situation here, and stick to the end. You will see that even some of the Igbos will fail in this area. So this channel is not just for people who want to learn Igbo, it's also for Igbos who want to be challenged, because I will make you go versatile. I will want to make you go flexible to know other dialects that you may not know. I have started learning even other dialects that I don't know before in the name to just be able to teach. There is a word or a sentence that is very easy in Igbo and is very common, necessary that you're supposed to know it. And that sentence is I don't know. I was surprised to discover that this sentence probably will be more than 8 in their sounds and different spelling even. Stick and let's see these dialects and the people who normally speak them. So one of them, okay, let me just give you the whole. And the first one is Amaghi. Second one is Amaghi. Third one is Marum. Fourth one is Amahum. The fifth one is Amahum. Then sixth one is Amam. The seventh one is Amakwam. 80th one is Amarum. So now I stand to be corrected. The name of the states that speaks them. So what you will see now is those words, this sentence, and the people that normally use them. And the first one is Amaghi. I believe they're mostly used by the Imos, the Imo people. The second one is Amaghi. Mostly used by NSUKKA district, NSUKKA area. There is another one. Number 3 should be, I've heard people saying this, but I just don't know. Maybe they are from Oka or Ichida. I'm sorry if they are not the Okas, but I've heard it from our people. So there is another one. Is from, this is difficult, Amaghi, and I believe they are mostly used by the NNEWI people. NNEWI, Amaghi. And let's go to know mostly used by the Chida people. Amahum. Then this one I believe they are used by the Abia people. Amam. Then let's go to the one that are used by the ONISHA people or ENUGU. Amakwam. Used by the ENUGU people or probably in Kano. Amakwam. Then the last but not the least, I think ONISHA people uses this one, Amarum. So go to the comment down below and let's see your opinion. I can't wait to hear or see what you will write, because it's a challenge. Write down what you think you know and give your correction. I'm talking to Igbo, my fellow Igbo people. And if you're not an Igbo, just choose one. one that you get to know is okay. Please, I'm not here to bug you with our dialects. I'm here to just teach you how to speak my language. Our Igbo language is wonderful one. So Ibamaka, honestly, so let's keep on growing with different languages. See you in my next video, and remain blessed. Bye. Remember to like and share. If possible, subscribe, because I am here to stay. This is just the beginning. There are more funny and fun parts of this journey. I'm gonna try my best to take you on this journey. What I want from you is comment the topics you want, because I'm not here just for myself. I'm here to cooperate and communicate to you who want to learn. See you and remain blessed. Bye.